Hey there everyone, my name is Hitesh. I'm a programmer, YouTuber, traveler, and founder at Learn Code Online. I have an amazing experience of working at various tech giants, recently with the Google for their Firestore product, and I have an amazing YouTube channel where all the time people talk about amazing stuff like React.js, Python, Node.js, Flutter, Xamarin, Django, and all those amazing tech stuff which a programmer should be talking about and should be aware of. To share my experience from the tech world, from the YouTube world, and from some of the travel experience, I am coming to share all of this to VIT campus at Vellore. I'm coming to attend a Devspace event hosted at VIT Vellore from 16th to 18th March. So in case you are around there or nearby, you definitely should not miss this. If you want to join me at the event, there's a link in the description as well as at the end of this video. Go ahead, visit this link. I'm looking forward to meet all the amazing developers that are coming to this event. I am super excited for this event, and I'm looking forward to meet all of you guys at VIT campus Vellore from 16th to 18th of March at Devspace. So don't miss that. Join me up there and I'll surely catch you up at VIT campus.